जीवन में कुछ ऐसे भी होते हैं लम्हे खास, जिनकी खुशबू और मानों को आ जाती है रास। मील का पत्थर बन जाता है वो लम्हा बिंदास, सिहरन सी छू जाती है जब होता है
वेलकम टू पहला पहला विद मी ऐश्वर्या। घबराइए मत, मैं अकेली नहीं हूँ। आई डू हैव अ गेस्ट टुनाइट विद मी। ही इज़ हैंडसम, ही इज़ सेंसेशनल, ही इज़ अ चार्मर। वेल व्हाट कैन आई से अबाउट हिम। वो कभी अपनी कातिल नज़रों से लोगों को घायल कर देते हैं तो कभी अपने चार्म से लोगों का मर्डर कर देते हैं। That's right. That's the right guess. I do have Ashmit Patel with me tonight. But before I get talking to him, let's have a look at his choreograph.
मर्डर के इंटेंस हस्बैंड का रोल निभाने वाले अश्मित पटेल का जन्म हुआ 13 जनवरी 1978 को आमची, मुंबई में। He is also known as the younger brother of Amisha Patel and the grandson of the famous Indian lawyer Rajni Patel. अश्मित का नाम डिराइव हुआ अपने पेरेंट्स के नाम से। आशा और अमित से वो बने अश्मित। अपने पिता के बिजनेस में कुछ समय तक काम करने के बाद उन्होंने रुख किया बॉलीवुड की तरफ। Before that, he was studying in the United States at the University of Texas at Austin, where he received a bachelor's degree in the year 2000. अश्मित को बॉलीवुड के कैसेनोवा का खिताब मिला। उन्होंने काफी लड़कियों को डेट किया। To name a few, तानिया सिंह, अमृता अरोरा, आयशा टाकिया एंड रिया सेन। एक्टिंग करने से पहले उन्होंने अपना हाथ डायरेक्शन में भी आजमाया। He was an assistant director in the movie आवारा पागल दीवाना। 2003 में इन्होंने अपना पहला कदम बॉलीवुड में रखा फिल्म इम्तिहान से, जो अनफॉर्चुनेटली कुछ कमाल नहीं दिखा पाई। फिर आई उनकी अब तक की सबसे बड़ी हिट मर्डर, that got released in the year 2004. In 2005 उन्होंने अपनी किस्मत आजमाई फिल्म नजर में, और उसी साल अश्मित ने एक बहुत ही अनकन्वेंशनल मूवी में काम किया which was called सिलसिले। फिर आई फाइट क्लब, मेंबर्स ओनली, बनारस, दिल दिया है एंड कुड़ियों का है जमाना। And now he is waiting for his upcoming releases, Toss, Friends Forever and The Flag.
Hi Ashmit, thank you so much for taking out time tonight.
My pleasure, thank you.
अश्मित, हमारे इस पहले शो पर हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं वो सारे मोमेंट्स जो आपकी लाइफ में पहले घटे, जो भी आपके साथ हुआ, जो डिसाइडिंग फैक्टर्स बन गए, जिन मोमेंट्स ने आपको छुआ, हंसाया, रुलाया, everything. We want to know everything about you. So I hope you'll cooperate.
Absolutely.
So let's begin from childhood. Do you remember आप कौन से हॉस्पिटल में पैदा हुए थे?
Beach Candy Hospital.
Ah, you remember that. So,
Room number मत पूछिए बस.
I was just about to come to
I know
that.
the doctor as well, Dr. Soonawala.
I really like that. I like that because अगर मुझसे ये question पूछा जाए, I have no clue मैं कहाँ पैदा हुई थी. I just know the state. Okay, going on to the next thing. How was your relationship with your mother? Whom were you closer to, mom or dad?
I would have to say I was closer to my mother.
Mama's boy.
माँ की जो जगह होती है इंडियन फैमिलीज़ के अंदर खास करके, I think it's very special क्योंकि your dad is always out working, you know, comes home late after work. You know, those few hours that you spend with him are special, but your mother is there with you all throughout.
तो अगर प्यार है तो झगड़ा भी होता होगा. So I'm sure कि मॉम के साथ कभी आपका बहुत
के साथ
बड़ा
मारती थी.
I want to know पहली बार आपको क्या याद है, कब रूलर से मार पड़ी थी आप?
जब मेरे और मेरे बहन के बीच में झगड़ा हुआ था, I grabbed her hair और मैं उनके बालों के साथ टार्ज़न की तरह I was swinging.
Amisha has beautiful hair. Don't do that.
It was so long and beautiful. It was so tempting. I couldn't resist.
तो आप टार्जन बने हुए थे और मॉम ने आके एक चपत लगाई थी आपको.
और फिर बाद में आके डैड ने भी डिसिप्लिन किया मुझे I don't know if I should be saying this, लेकिन नंगा खड़ा कर दिया था एकदम अपने फ्लैट के मेन डोर के सामने. जो कोई भी अंदर आ रहा था could see me bang right in front.
Ouch.
But I was really young, so it was okay. I was at that age where it didn't really matter.
Okay.
Still not, you know, in my early teens or hadn't hit puberty yet, so.
अच्छा, आपको कभी किसी ने बताया कि आपके पहले शब्द क्या थे?
That I have no idea.
Ah, you should be knowing that. Okay, going on to your school life. पहला school.
Shellams. Nursery school, yeah.
I've heard that it's a very, very good school and you enjoyed your...
I remember my first day of school actually, and I remember crying profusely. इतना रो रहा था, I didn't want to go.
First day of
मम्मी
school?
ने मुझे जाके स्कूल पे छोड़ा था, and she promised me a big gift once I got back if I stayed the entire day there. And that gift obviously never came.
In your school life, कभी कोई लड़की दिखी जिसको देखते ही लगा कि oh my God, she is the one for me.
बहुत सारे.
बहुत सारी. That one girl, पहली वो लड़की.
Yes, I have to say there was one
You
special
realize
one.
you're a man.
I don't know about realizing I was a man, but
The feeling.
I definitely realized that there's something inside of me which I hadn't felt before.
Who was that?
There were plenty actually. all through my-
No, I want to know
You want the
पहली
first
लड़की.
one?
वो पहली लड़की.
First one, interestingly, वो भी आज एक एक्ट्रेस है, काजोल की छोटी बहन तनीषा.
ईशा.
यस, हम लोग फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड में हम लोग क्लास में एक साथ पढ़ा करते थे.
काफी
I
जल्दी
don't
शुरू हो गए थे आप.
very very early. उसके पहले भी एक थी लेकिन I don't remember her name.
The first standard love.
Yeah, she was so cute. She had this this fringe cut and like these bangs on her forehead. I don't think she remembers me being in class with her. And we had a little tortoise in Kachwa tha jo was our class pet. Or her holiday mein our teacher Mrs. Whitbread would ask us, who wants to take the tortoise home and take care of it for the holidays. Tanisha was the first one to put her hand up. I want it. I found that so
Tanisha,
adorable.
I guess you're blushing by now.
Please, Tanisha, I was young. I didn't know what I was doing.
Now that's mean. Okay, from school time crushes, let's move on to your college life. आपने college कहाँ से किया?
I studied. I did my undergraduate in the States
Okay.
from the University of Texas at Austin.
What did you study?
I did my BBA, Bachelor's in Business Administration.
And was that interesting?
Very interesting. College was, I think, one of the best times of my life. You're single, you're young, you're
You're single.
in a different country.
So okay, going back. पहली girlfriend. नाम लेना पड़ेगा.
It's difficult to say because उन दिनों में, what constituted as a girlfriend was very different to what.
No, when you understood what constituted as a girlfriend, I want to know that.
Oh, like I like you, you like me.
Yeah,
Let's go out on a date.
Yeah.
First date. Yeah, I would have to say Tanya Singh. Yeah,
And how was that?
incredible. She had an elder sister. She has an elder sister. Very, very adorable, both of them. And I think I had a crush on both of them. And
I like that.
yeah, I'd like to reconnect
your
with them
honesty.
if they're watching this. Hi, remember me?
Okay, your first kiss.
My first kiss. Honestly, I don't remember it.
You don't remember? You've had too many?
I think I was very drunk. No, I'm
Okay.
kidding. I do remember it.
From
I do
being
remember it, but I
drunk.
don't remember the girl I kissed. I was really drunk. No, I'm kidding. I just don't remember her name. It
Okay.
was one of those random things. It just happened.
Okay, and
She
when
came,
was that?
grabbed me and just kissed me and then disappeared.
कब हुआ ये?
Very late in life, actually.
Very late in life.
Yeah.
Surprising.
Yeah, surprisingly. I must have been, 16, 15, something.
That's okay. That's a decent age.
Is it?
Kids don't kiss before 16 or 15. Okay, that's a
I'm
proper
talking about,
age
I'm talking
to
about a
kiss.
simple, like a peck on the lips, not
That's
like a
okay.
full blown.
Kids, don't listen to him. That's a perfectly good age to kiss. Okay.
Kids, don't listen to Aishwarya. Kissing is good for you. Especially
your
if it's someone of the
hormones
opposite sex. Only if it's someone of the opposite sex.
Okay, from getting drunk, आपकी पहली drink कौन सी थी? कहाँ पे? किसके साथ? कब? All the details.
Well, this is actually very interesting. Meri dadi ma, my dad's mother,
Yeah.
most stunningly beautiful woman in the world.
That is so sweet.
Beautiful green eyes. I love you, Nani. You're the best. We call her Nani, but actually she's my dadi. Even my dad and her husband used to call her Nani.
Okay.
Yeah, she's the most amazing woman. When she was a little younger, now she's really old. वो whiskey पिया करती थी. Very light whiskey with half pani, half soda. Very light. It
That
was-
was my mom's drink.
So, occasionally I would ask her for a sip from the drink, and she would readily give it to me. And I think that was my first experience with alcohol. And My parents have also always been cool, you know, whenever I wanted a sip of their drink.
Okay, so from school life, your family, now college life, you had fun, got drunk, kissed a lot of women.
Not a lot.
I'm sure you're lying on that. Okay, बढ़ते हैं आपके करियर की तरफ. आपने सबसे पहले कब डिसाइड किया कि मुझे एक्टर बनना है? That is my thing. I'm gonna become an actor.
Well, actually, कॉलेज ख़त्म करके ग्रेजुएशन के बाद मैं वापस इंडिया लौटा. I joined my family business. नासिक में अपने my dad has a factory there. मैं वहाँ पे I used to spend the week over there. Weekends के लिए वापस बॉम्बे आता था. It wasn't a life that I really enjoyed. You know, I couldn't see myself doing that for the rest of my life, manufacturing audio magnetic tape and whatever else my dad was into. So I then branched out, decided to join an investment bank, worked there. Was pretty good at it. Got promoted in my first month. But after a few months, I was like sitting inside an office in front of a computer terminal.
But we somehow don't see you sitting in front of a computer and doing all that.
Exactly,
We,
yeah.
we
I'm an
expect.
outdoorsy kind of person. I love adventure, sports.
Yeah, we
I love-
expect a
yeah.
man like you to be on the big screen. So I think that
Really,
was a
thank
very
you.
good choice.
So yeah, my sister was shooting for her first couple of films at the time, and I would occasionally drop in on a set. That's when I got exposed to the world of cinema. Or जैसे कहा जाता है, you got bitten by the bug. So did I, and I joined an acting class and decided to see for myself whether I could act. I think I thought that I could act.
You can act.
I don't know if everyone else agrees with me or not.
I'm with you. You can act.
Thank you.
Okay, so that's when you decided. But I've also read about you. Correct me if I'm wrong. कि आपने असिस्टेंट डायरेक्शन में भी अपना हाथ आजमाया है इन आवारा पागल
जी,
दीवाना.
बिल्कुल.
वो कैसे हुआ?
Acting course ख़त्म करने के बाद my sister was shooting a film with Hrithik. Hrithik was a good friend of mine. I really got along with him. I think he's an amazing guy. I looked up to him for everything that he had achieved, just for his his dedication and love for the craft of acting. So I went to him and I was like, help me. I don't think I'm ready yet. So he said, Ashmit, I think you should assist, because Hrithik had
He had
assisted
on
Rakesh
Koila,
Uncle for a long, long time. So he said, why don't you ask Dad? At that time, unfortunately, Rakesh Uncle was not doing anything. I think Koi Mil Gaya was still in a very pre-production stage. They were still working on the script and things. So it wouldn't make sense for me to join. That's when I joined Vikram Bhatt, joined the Bhatt clan, so to speak, Vishesh Films, and I assisted on a number of films with them. Or yeah, they spotted some sort of spark and talent in me, I don't know.
तो आपका पहला जो आपका डेब्यू था उसका एक्सपीरियंस इम्तिहान 2003.
Yes, 2003, yes, long time ago.
5 साल ही हुए हैं.
5 साल हो गए हैं, yeah, 5 nice long years.
Yeah. So how was the experience? आपकी पहली मूवी का वो पहला शॉट.
Nerve-wracking. I was really nervous before because I had to wear lenses in the film, and I'd never worn lenses in my life.
Oh.
And I'd started rehearsing, trying to get used to the fact that I had to wear lenses, I think a month before. And I couldn't get it. It used to take me at least 2 to 3 hours to get the lenses in, 1 eye each eye. And I still couldn't get it. My eyes would just keep going fluttering for like hours on end. And I was so nervous. I was like, Vicky, what if I can't do it on the day of the shoot? I'm finished and this, that and the other. It's like, relax, Ashmi, we'll take care of it. So my first shot that he planned was just a shot of me walking into my office, a long walk down the corridor. And I actually reported to set 4 hours before time. Even my heroines were not there. I went in, spent 2 hours trying to get my lenses in, did my makeup, got ready, and I was like, damn.
वो आपका फर्स्ट शॉट था.
First shot था.
और कितने टेक्स हुए?
Actually, 2 हुए, लेकिन it wasn't my fault. First take made was a long trolley shot. There was some problem with the camera movement. I think the trolley, the movement wasn't steady enough. There was some jerk. So we had to do it again a second time.
That was a good experience.
Yeah, it was just good to get it out of the way.
तो आपने मॉडलिंग में कभी अपना हाथ आजमाया?
Interestingly, actually, बचपन में मैं कभी एक्टर नहीं बनना चाहता था. I didn't even think about it क्योंकि इंडिया में जैसे होता है कि आप बिजनेस फैमिली से हो, एक लौता बेटा था मैं, have to take over the family business. सोच वही थी. But I did think about modeling क्योंकि modeling is something you can do part-time.
Right.
Acting is a full-time
Yeah,
profession.
of course it is.
And I looked up to guys like Rahul Dev and Milind Soman, who I am now working with. And I was like, I used to go for a lot of fashion shows. My mum used to give me all her invitations. They
Passes,
go.
yeah.
I used to go and ogle at all the models, male and female actually. because I just looked up to them. I was like, wow, look at these guys. They're so big and tough, and Greek
Male for
godlike.
inspiration, females for.
Exactly, for whatever. So yeah, I always thought about modeling, but I became an actor first, and after I became an actor, I did do a couple of ramp shows just as
So
Ashmit.
आपका पहला modeling assignment?
It was for a jewelry designer called Rupa Vora. She made some stunning jewelry that I had to wear, and I just walked down the ramp, topless of course, because I don't know, everyone wants to strip me
Men
for some
get to do
reason.
that.
Men get to do that, yeah, and for some reason people think I have a great body. I don't know.
Oh, that's good. That's good. What are you complaining for?
Men think I have a great body. Women don't seem to think so. Like you're too big. You need to get smaller.
पर ये बड़ा compliment है ना, अगर एक आदमी दूसरे आदमी को बोल रहा था, dude you rock.
That's true, yeah.
So that's a bigger compliment.
So yeah, that was my first experience modeling. I'd
And
love to
then-
do something more. I love modeling.
तो आपने कभी auditions दिए movies में घुसने के लिए कोई?
Actually, no. Bhatt Saab, Mahesh Bhatt Saab just picked me up for a 3-film deal as when I was working under them.
No auditions happened for you.
No auditions happened.
And you entered straight away.
Straight.
My God.
But I had my struggle. I mean, I went through, not being happy in my family business, to going and working with an investment bank, to going through an acting course, not being happy. 6-month acting course, which I must tell you, I was in Juhu and I lived. My parents live on Marine Drive.
Okay.
I used to wake up at 6 o'clock every morning, catch a 6:23 local from Churchgate to Bandra every day.
ट्रैवल किया है?
Absolutely.
आपको याद है अपना फर्स्ट ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करने का एक्सपीरियंस?
वो actually बचपन में था with my maid who's brought me up. She's like my mother, Leela Bai. She used to take me to church on Sundays. She's Catholic.
Okay.
So yeah, I used to go by train to Marine Line Station from Churchgate. Just a couple of stations, a couple of stops. But yeah, that was my first experience with trains.
कब की बात है ये? कितने साल के थे आप?
Must have been 6 or 7.
अगर आपकी पहली हिट की बात करें तो कौन सी पहली हिट थी आपके लिए?
एक ही है, Murder.
Okay. तो I like your honesty, Ashmit. पहली हिट आपकी थी Murder.
Murder, yes.
तो उसके बाद you became this star overnight, and you did, and आपकी performance को काफ़ी सराहा गया. तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा critical acclaim मिला था उसके लिए. So how was that feeling?
It was good because when Anurag Basu came to me, the director of the film came to me, Ashmit, got a mind-blowing script, this, that. Bhatt Saab called me to the office. He narrated it to me. After he narrated it to me, he didn't tell me what character I was playing. So I was like, Anu, I think Sunny should do this, and I see myself like. He's like, Ashmit, not Sunny, Sudhir. I was like, what? You're joking, right? Are you serious? He's like, no, Ashmit, I am. I was like, dude, do you really see me as a Sudhir, as like a father of a child and someone who cheats on, my wife cheats on me? Come on, I mean,
Me?
are you blind? Like, you need glasses, dude. Like, come on. So he's like, no, I think this is going to be a big challenge for you to do it. And I said, but I'm not that old. I don't, I'm hardly 23 years old. How am I going to, pull it off? So that was the big challenge. And I think if what you're saying is true, people really liked my performance.
Loved
And
your
yeah,
performance.
yeah, there was internal angst and a lot of subtlety to the character, which,
तो
I guess.
मर्डर का वो पहला शॉट याद है?
Murder का पहला shot. Actually, I don't remember it. Actually, I do remember it. It was with Imran, a confrontation scene when I come to him and I tell him to stop seeing my wife.
Right.
And it's actually midway through the film.
I know
So
it
it's
is.
really hard because I don't have any. I haven't shot at all.
Right.
And this is actually the pivotal point in
need
the
a
film when I'm
certain
coming
build-up
face to
before you-
face with the
yeah.
man who's been sleeping with my wife. So it was actually very difficult. And the shot opens with me knocking on the door and him opening the door and me looking at him with everything. All that emotion has to come flooding because I'm seeing the man who has been sleeping with my wife. She's been cheating on me with this man. So it was actually a very hard shot.
तो वो पहला शॉट था आपका, and you remember that very clearly. मर्डर में आपने मलिका शेरावत के साथ काम किया. You played her husband. उनके साथ काम करने में कैसा लगा? Because she was already, a name. Like हर एक बच्चे को पता था मलिका शेरावत कौन है.
Really? I don't think so. I think murder made her.
Okay, you
Yeah.
think so?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Before that, she was 17 Kisses.
Yeah,
Something.
exactly.
But there was not, I don't think anyone knew her name as such.
So you were never
Um,
intimidated by her?
No, I'd met her in the office and we, exchanged a few words and whatever. We were cordial and then we met on set and things were cool.
तो मर्डर जब हिट हो गई तो वो जब हिट होने की न्यूज़ आपको पहली बार आई वो कैसी फीलिंग थी? हाउ वाज इट?
I think Mukesh Bhatt, Imran Hashmi, Ashmit Patel were in Pune doing a promotion for the film. And Mukesh ji, of course, was on the phone constantly. And he got, instantly the vibe from the first show, second show, where the film is headed. So I don't think he told us too much. We could sense from his body language and everything
happy.
something is, because
Money
Mukesh ji,
coming
otherwise you
in.
can tell on his face. He's very cute, He'll start spewing all kinds of things like, he's like a child. You can tell on his face what the fate of the film is. So I think we kind of guessed it. Amy and I were like, I think we're through, bro. But I think on the Saturday or the Sunday that the film released, we were in the office and we just let loose. Everyone was like confirmed this is the biggest hit maybe
Of the
that
year.
Vishesh Films has seen.
Really?
The biggest hit of the year for sure. And it's going to be big. It's going to be big, big, big.
एज एन एक्टर आपका पहला कॉम्प्लीमेंट किसने दिया और कब हुआ?
I remember this very clearly.
Uh-huh.
इंतहा के promos, my first film promos were on air. और बच्चन साहब,
बच्चन साहब
it was his 60th birthday and they were having a lavish celebration. And I knew Jaya Aunty because she had come to give me my graduation certificate from Professor Roshan Taneja's acting course. And I'd met her a few times before that. So she met me first. She's like, Ashmit, where are you? My husband's looking for you. I was like, really?
हार्ट मस्ट बी पाउंडिंग.
I was like, why is he looking for me? I was like, tak, 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 tak. It's like, yeah, come, let's go wish him. And so I went and wished him, and he was like, oh, so you're that boy from those promos, in his usual baritone. I was like, yes, sir. It's like, I don't know what to expect. It's like, Ashmit, that shot of you just staring, looking like that, the intensity in your eyes, very hard shot. And my heart was in my mouth, it was just pounding, and I was like,
You could have hugged him right
I
there
was like,
and
sir,
then.
this is the best thing anyone could ever have told me. Imagine
Bachchan
the icon of
Saab saying
acting
that.
as my first
It's
compliment
huge.
ever. It was huge. I will never forget that. I'll never ever forget
And your first autograph.
that. First autograph was a few years before I decided to become an actor actually.
Really? ये कैसे हो गया?
I think I had accompanied my sister, my parents, all of us had gone for her shoot of Gadar in Panchgani. And she was shooting in this school. So yeah, I was there and there was a bunch of kids and they were all, Amisha's brother. They didn't even know my name.
Right.
And so they were like, can we have your autograph? I was like, but I'm not an actor. He's like, yeah, but you will be one day, we know.
How sweet.
I was like, whoa, that's cool.
Their predictions did come
They
true,
did.
huh?
Actually, I think by that time I'd already decided that I think my acting course was on. I don't remember clearly. So yeah, it was like, yeah, they know, they see the star in me. They're smart kids. I must send my children to this school.
आप जब एक्टर बनते हैं तो आपके बारे में रूमर्स बहुत फैलते हैं. खूब सारी चीज़ें आती हैं, बॉम्बे टाइम्स, मिड डे, मुंबई मिरा, लोग पढ़ते भी हैं, लोग ओपिनियंस भी फॉर्म करते हैं.
Right.
तो पहला रूमर आपके बारे में एज एन एक्टर क्या छपा था?
I think that I am gay.
How did that
I don't
happen?
know. I really don't know. Me, gay, how does that work? I've done a lot of thinking about this, and my friends and me have come to the conclusion that because I don't give a lot of girls the
That
attention
kind of
that they would like, they probably think, he's just gay, that's why. They can't accept the rejection, so they're like, no, मामला गड़बड़ है, कुछ तो problem है वहाँ पे, boss. Maybe that's why, I don't know.
टॉस आपने कंप्लीट कर ली है, उसका जब आपने प्रीव्यू देखा, हाउ वाज द फीलिंग?
Super. The film is great. It's exactly what the script read. Few things have had to be chopped off due to length, but I think it's made the film sharper, much more pacier, and it's looking good. So my fingers are crossed. Cross yours too, please. And all you guys out there, go watch the film. Don't cross your fingers. Go watch the film when it releases. Can you cross your toes? Yeah, seriously. I've been trying. I wanted some skill. Like every actor has some skill. Some can juggle. Some can do gymnastics. I wanted to do something a little more out there. Yeah. Thanks so much.
Okay, any messages to our viewers, please?
Yeah, I think I just told them go watch Toss and all my other movies. Please, 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 please. My fingers are crossed that I need a hit. I need a hit. I'm being honest.
Listen to Ashmit, okay?
Yeah.
All
please.
right. Thank you so much, Ashmit, for taking out time and meeting us.
My pleasure.
Guys, it's time to end the show. अगले हफ्ते फिर मिलेंगे पहला पहला पर. Keep watching.
जीवन